Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are going to plan out the month of February. So today I'm using a kit from Sara Marie Stickers, kit 222. I did already put the dates on just to save some time. So we do have this top washi page and some labels and the holidays, and then the second page option here. And then I also did purchase the decorative page because I'm using this for a weekly spread as well. So I figured if I need any bigger boxes, we'll go ahead and use that. So let's go ahead and flip this over. Now, February is not going to be super busy because wrestling is almost over. We will be starting softball. My son still hasn't decided if he actually wants to do baseball. So I did already sign up for softball. But like I said, we'll have to We'll have to see if he wants to play baseball or not. Okay, let's get this on straight. I do love this kit. It's still kind of like Valentine's-y, but still wintry. So I really liked this kit. Put that there. Like so. And then we'll go ahead and put the sidebar down. So we're going to turn it this way, line it up with this line, because I did find out that her little sidebars are a little bit thinner. So we're going to go like here, put it down like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and use these extra boxes to fill in the spaces. There. So yeah, this month we just have gymnastics on Fridays. My dance class will still be going on. And that's about it, unless they start doing those softball practices. So it shouldn't be too crazy of a month. My sister's birthday is this month. So maybe try to do something with her. There we go. That looks all right. Ooh, almost knocked over my light. Okay, so let's get back in frame here. I did go ahead and pull some stickers that I'll be using. So on the first, I have to work. So I'll work the first, the second, and the third. I love these little work scripts with the little scrub tops. I love those. I got to get some more. They're from like Twin Mermaid or something. Let me see. Yeah. Actually have them up here. The Twin Mermaids, which I think the shop was closed last time I looked, so I really need to get some more or find a different shop that has them, but I really did like those. And then on the 7th, I'm actually going to pull from this decorative kit. I am going to go to Indianapolis and go to a class. I don't know if you've ever heard of Dance Fitness with Jessica, but she's pretty popular on YouTube, Instagram, all that. She holds master classes. I've been to 2 of them and they're really fun. She teaches very similarly to what I teach in my classes, so it's always nice to just go and enjoy a class and not have to teach a class. So me and a couple friends are going to that. The next day I work is the 11th, so I actually am supposed to work that day, but I took PTO so that we can get down there and not have to rush and everything to get back. And then work on the 12th, and then the 15th, 16th, and 17th. And then I'll work again that Friday. And then the Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's my work schedule. Now my husband works the days that I'm off, except for every other Thursday we have off together. Okay, the next thing I want to put down is the holidays. So we just have Valentine's Day. I'm not going to put the other ones in because I don't celebrate them. So I'm just going to put this Valentine's Day to cover that up. And then we do have gymnastics on Fridays. So actually, let me push this up a little bit because my husband will have to take her because I will be gone. So we'll do that, and then let's do, how many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go ahead and do, I want to do this red. So we'll do the red one. 2. And it is in the evening, so it's after he will already be home. 4. And then I do have some gymnastics scripts. I wish I had a little gymnastics girl. That's on my to get list. So if you know of any shops that sell like some gymnastic ones, little doodle girls or something, I would like to purchase those. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, so usually I put birthdays here and then list them and then do my dance class, but I do only have one birthday, so I am just going to put it on here. It's the 26th. It's my sister's birthday. And then really that's it. I'm going to put my dance over here, but I haven't made it yet. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Wednesdays, Saturdays, and then Mondays and Fridays. But I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to leave that blank for now. And then the only other thing, I have this little chaos coordinator. I thought that would be kind of cute here. That's from Planner Kate. So let's go ahead. Should have did this before because my handwriting is awful, especially up against the coil. So my sister, and then there we go. So I went to Fort Wayne to do one of her classes and then Indy last year. So I'm really happy she does that. So that is pretty much all this month. Like I said, just gymnastics going on, and then if softball is going to start, sometimes they do the inside classes. I'm thinking maybe I could put some washi. We have 2 strips of washi, or 2 different kinds. Maybe I can do that on the side over there to cover up the rest of those lines. I don't know if that'll be too much, but we're going to give it a shot here. That's fine. And I'll just have to cut that down a little bit. That looks better, so it kind of covers up that added space. I could almost do it over here too, but I don't know if I want to. Don't know if I want to, because I think it'll be a little too wide. So that is it for this February plan with me. I know nothing too exciting is going on. I will post a picture on Instagram if I do get softball, and then my dance schedule if that's something you want to see. Not too exciting unless you're in Indiana and you want to come to my dance class. But that is it. Again, this kit is from Sara Marie Stickers. It's $2.22, and I will be doing a weekly spread with this kit as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.